In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Manychat on Instagram in a fast and easy way. Whether you're new to Manychat or just need a refresher, this guide will take you step by step through the process, ensuring you have everything you need to successfully integrate your Instagram account and start leveraging the power of automated chat features. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Manychat website. Once you're there, look towards the upper right corner where you'll find the Get Started button. Go ahead and click that to initiate the setup process. Now you'll be prompted to choose a channel. Since we're focusing on Instagram today, make sure to select Instagram from the list of available channels. Moving forward, you'll need to connect your Facebook account to Manychat. This step is crucial because Instagram is owned by Facebook, and having these accounts linked will enable seamless integration and allow you to take full advantage of Manychat's features with Instagram. Follow the prompts to log into your Facebook account and complete the connection process. Once you've successfully connected your Facebook account, the next step is to add your Instagram account to Manychat. You'll notice an option to plus add new account. Click on that and then select Instagram from the options available. After selecting Instagram, you'll see a Go to Instagram button. Click this button and you'll be taken to a new window where you'll be asked to log into your Instagram account. This step is vital because it allows Manychat to gain access to your Instagram in order to set up the necessary permissions required for the integration. In this pop-up window, enter your Instagram login credentials. Take a moment here to ensure that your information is correct to avoid any hiccups. Once logged in, you'll see a series of permissions that need to be granted. These permissions are necessary for Manychat to interact with your Instagram account effectively, enabling features such as automated messaging and interaction with your audience. Once you've granted these permissions, your connection is complete. You are now set up and ready to go. You can start customizing your interactions, building automated responses, and engaging with your Instagram followers on a whole new level using Manychat. And that's it. You've successfully set up Manychat with your Instagram account. Remember, having this setup will not only help you manage engagements more efficiently, but also enhance your ability to connect with your audience in real time, all while freeing up more time for you to focus on other aspects of your business. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to visit the Manychat support page for additional guidance. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.